Welcome to the Magic Keycast. Join Cassie and myself, Jason, as we invite you to play along to a game of Guess the Price inside Pieces of 8, the Pirates of the Caribbean merchandise store, and take a historical ride along with us on the Pirates of the Caribbean as we point out various facts on this historical attraction. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button as we unlock the magic on Pieces of 8 and the history of Pirates of the Caribbean.
Okay, we're here at Pieces of 8. So it's a little pirate themed store that's outside of Pirates of the Caribbean and right next to the Blue Bayou.
All right, so we're gonna play Guess That Price.
Guess that price.
All right.
Ooh,
Do
look
the
at
pirates.
this thing.
What, you wanna do that?
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Okay. So this is the front. It's like kind of a jean material.
Kind of a jean jacket? Oh, that's cool.
This is printed though on the back.
All right.
Okay?
That is $64.99.
Higher.
$69.99.
Higher.
$75.99.
A little higher.
$79.99?
$79.99.
Oh wow, okay. I am starting off bad. I don't know about everybody else.
How
What
about
do we got?
Dead Men Tell No Tales?
Dead Men Tell No Tales trucker style?
Yeah, this is mesh and then it's got the snapback.
Oh,
And no
okay.
special glow in the dark or anything like that.
Okay, that is $29.99.
$29.99? You got it.
Home run. Ching.
What else?
All right, let's see.
What
How about the
this?
pirate hat?
Yeah.
But you have to put it on.
I have yours on.
I can wear it. Be piratey.
Okay. You want to feel the material?
It's like a faux leathery
Yeah.
kind of thing. That is $54.99.
It actually it's lower.
Really?
Yeah.
$44.99.
Lower.
Really?
Yeah.
$34.99.
$39.99.
$39. Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
Kinda
I
cool
noticed they
little-
have these little books in all
Oh, yeah.
the stores.
Phantasmic just ended.
Let's
All
see.
right. Got some Pirates Life.
Want to do some Crocs?
Sure, do some Crocs. People
All right.
like the Crocs.
Okay. All right, so Mickey Mouse theme, black Crocs.
$34.99.
No,
More? $74.99.
lower,
$69.99.
lower,
$64.99.
a little lower.
$63.99.
Now it's $59.99.
$59. I'm way off.
That's just kind of Crocs for you, though.
Yeah. Let's do the Battleship.
Battleship.
Curse
Okay.
of the Pirates of the Caribbean Battleship. I love Battleship. Next to Clue, my favorite.
All right, let me hide the price so you can look at the back too.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
All
That's
right.
actually a really cool theme.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yes. I'm gonna go $44.99.
Little higher.
$45.99?
$49.99.
$49.99. Okay, I'm close. All right.
This is a cool hat.
Pirate's life for me.
Check
So
the
the
price.
dad hat, as we call him.
Yeah, with the Velcro.
Okay.
So
That is $34.99.
little lower.
$29.99.
$29.99.
Okay. I'm kind of figuring out their scheme here. What else do we have back here?
I don't know. Let's see. There's another pirate hat.
All right. Kind of the old classic
Yeah, that's an interesting.
material.
Yeah, it's kind of like rubbery, like weird silicone
Huh.
kind of texture. There is a wire
Okay,
that
yeah,
runs
it
through the
keeps the
top
shape.
here. The top actually, it does feel a little bit nicer than the other hat.
Let me see. Okay.
Actually, I don't even see.
Price tag's right up here, but I didn't see the price.
Oh yeah, because it didn't come out. Okay, thank you. All right.
$44.99.
Lower.
Lower? $39.99.
$39.99.
All right. Let's do this one because it's actually really cool. Scars
Oh,
or
look
tattoos
at
with better
that.
stories.
I
It's
like
two
that
people
one.
that both have sleeves. Tattoo-wise, it is.
All right. Oh, it has no price.
What?
It has no price.
Did you check on the
I don't even.
sleeve parts of it?
Yeah, there's no price
On any of them?
No, on any of the
Oh,
tags.
this one does. This one does. The
Oh, it
one
does?
behind it does.
Okay.
So take the shirt off, and then you just check it right there.
The one behind it. Are you sure?
Oh, it doesn't have a
Yeah,
price
it doesn't
on the
have
tag.
the price on the tag at all.
I don't know.
We'll never know.
We'll never know. Oh,
There you go. We both wondered what
well,
that
there
was.
you go. Didn't even see it. Adult Tease, $29.99 when you buy two.
$29.99.
If they were black, you might have gotten me.
Yeah. All right. Let's see. Anything else?
I don't know. Pretty full in here. Do the Dead Men Tell No Tales right there in front of you. Oh, you want to do the Tumbler?
Tumbler.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it all aluminum?
All aluminum.
Okay.
Nothing on the back. Just skull and bones.
That is $39.99.
$39.99.
Home run. All
Want to
right.
do this last one?
Do that last one.
All right.
Dead Men Tell No Tales,
You didn't-
long sleeve.
You didn't see the price, did you?
I did not.
Okay. Yeah, so long sleeve. It's not
there anything
embroidered.
on the
It's all
front?
printed. Yeah, it's Pirates of the Caribbean.
Okay. It's long sleeve. That's $34.99.
Higher.
Really? $44.99.
$44.99.
All right. Well, there you go. Another edition of Guess That Price, the Pieces of 8 store.
We'll have to actually come up with a challenge next time that if you can guess something correctly, we might have to buy it.
Okay.
So we might want to be careful about the things we pick up.
All right. I'm only going to ask you to pick up trinkets then. Just a 5-minute walk on.
Upon boarding your boat on Pirates of the Caribbean, you'll first notice the Blue Bayou restaurant that overlooks the boarding area for Pirates of the Caribbean. It's themed after a quiet Louisiana night and boats drifting past as diners enjoy. The atmospheric opening was groundbreaking in 1967 for its indoor nighttime illusion. The restaurant integration was part of Walt's push for immersive environments. Lighting enhancements have been periodically updated, notably in 2022, to improve depth and realism. Plus, subtle audio upgrades have improved ambient sound and wildlife effects over time. The first drop includes a skull-shaped rock and once had a waterfall projection of Davy Jones. The original version included just the skull and crossbones warning and classic narration. The update with Davy Jones came in 2006 but has since disappeared and swapped with Blackbeard, then reverted back to the original.
There be squalls ahead, and Davy Jones waiting for them. What don't you know?
Here we go! Yeah, try to be until get that nice Caribbean water. At least smells and tastes a lot like chlorine, but all right.
As we enter the grotto, which includes the treasure room filled with gold, skeletal pirates, Captain Jack Sparrow first appears. But in 2006, film integration that included Jack Sparrow animatronics was added. Over time, effects upgrades have improved with facial animation and eye movement in later refurbishments. And in 2022, gold coin and lighting enhancements were added as well.
Says I, who knows when that evil curse will strike the greedy elders of this
I didn't either.
When we enter the bombardment of the fort, the pirate ship battle, well, there's been a huge upgrade here. The original pirate captain was replaced in 2006 with Hector Barbosa, who now commands the Wicked Winch. Cannon fire effects were upgraded over the years with synchronized lighting and smoke. Plus, audio systems have been modernized for fuller surround sound.
It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold. Run up your white flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy
If you're looking to go in 2026 to Disneyland, Disney World, or even the Universal Parks, or maybe explore a cruise, contact our friends at Getaway today. All you have to do is click the link in the description if you want to explore booking a trip online, or if you want the best service in the business for the people that are going to get you the best deals to maximize the joy of your trip. Give them a call at 1-855-GETAWAY. That's 1-855-GETAWAY, and tell them the Magic Keycast sent you. Next, it's pirates invading the town, chaos and fire everywhere. Fire effects have been upgraded with safer technology since opening, and in the 2022 refurbishment included a refresh on flame lighting, smoke simulation, and paint detail. Next, we have the auction scene where pirates are bidding at an auction which is led by a red-haired pirate woman. The major update here came in 2018. Originally a bride auction where women were auctioned off, and the red-headed character became a pirate known as Red, now auctioning stolen goods instead.
Now, you swabbies, what be I offered for these hearty hens? Every one an egg layer. Belay there, you bilge rat!
Animatronics were also updated with new costumes and movement programming. Next, we see the alleyways with the chase scenes. The original version from 1967 had pirates chasing women.
Look at this here, man. And it's the key to the treasure.
Easy, boy. Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on that.
In the 90s, the updated scene was revised in which women were chasing pirates carrying stolen food. This was all part of Disney's early efforts to modernize storytelling tone. Next, one of our favorite parts, the dog with the keys. You see pirates trying to lure a dog with a bone who is holding jail cell keys. One of the scenes largely unchanged since 1967. Updates include minor mechanical and lighting, as well as audio clarity improvements during the refurbishments. And this scene from the attraction inspired a scene in the original Pirates of the Caribbean movie. As you ascend back to the loading dock, we see Jack Sparrow seated on a throne of treasure singing. This Jack figure was added in 2006 with updated facial animation enhancements, which have occurred in later refurbishments. Lighting and projection refinements also happened in 2022 to improve the scene's depth.
I should take this coffee sound to slightly become more expensive. Adventures, Jules. Drink up, we have so yo ho, a pirate's life for me. A toast to piracy and its many shiny rewards.
That is still such a charming and fun ride.
Pirates of the Caribbean is one of the most remarkable attractions in Disney history, and despite film integrations and cultural updates, the core 1967 ride structure remains intact, making it one of the most preserved original e-ticket attractions in Disneyland history. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. And while you're at it, please check out this video on what updates we're excited for most coming to Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland. Until then, keep unlocking the magic.